What's up, YouTube lovers? Welcome back to my channel, Shayla's Journey to Success. I am so excited you all are back. I know it's time for another workout, and today we are focusing on the arms. But meanwhile, I'm going to be wearing, as you see, a waist trainer while I do so that I can still make sure I'm complimenting and taking care of those abs. You don't have to do it, just something I decided to do this workout routine, and I'm very glad I did. I welcome you back if you are a returning subscriber. I really appreciate you all. I am trying to get to 400 and 500 is on the way for the next goal. But I also want to say, if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in and clicking play. And I hope you enjoy this workout and get a lot out of it. And if you haven't yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, the like button. Give me a comment if you do enjoy this or what you would like to see on the next one. And don't forget, share with your friends and family as well. Now, as you see, I am getting to my stretches. Most of you know, definitely have to do pre-stretch, pre-warm up. So please do whatever you feel is necessary to do your stretches. You don't have to do the exact same things, of course not, but I really want you to focus on always doing a pre-stretch and a post-stretch. So do that now while I'm warming up. Get those muscles and those joints loosened up for a great arm workout. Equipment needed today, of course, is going to be water close by, a towel if you need it to stay, clean and dry, and most importantly, we will need free weights. I use a 5-pound weight throughout the entire workout. If you have more or if you do not have weights at all, please, I advise you can use water bottles, whatever you have in your house that is equivalent to 5 pounds. Nothing too crazy, but something that you can handle it. So as I'm warming up, let me let you know what these exercises will be for today. We'll be doing 3 rounds total, but I'm going to be showing you one and you'll be doing the next 2 alone. You'll be doing 10 push-ups, 10 lateral raises, 10 front raises, 10 in and out curls, 10 goal post press, and lastly 10 tricep kickbacks. All right, let's get to it. Remember, 10 reps for each exercise with 10-second breaks. You got this. Don't sweat it. Let's get to the push-ups. I know some of you are used to this by now, and then some of you may be dreading it, but do not sweat it. I have a modified version above for you. Focus on your hand placement and just pushing through your arms. Nothing else of the body. You can do this. Exercise number 2, as I said, is going to be with your free weights or your dumbbells. So whatever you have, water bottles or not, you're just going to get them on each arm, get your feet planted, shoulder width apart, good stance, and you're going to go right from the side of your thighs. Up and right up to your shoulders is where you go. A little bit above is okay, as you see me doing, but do not overexert it, okay? Breathe through each lift and keep that tummy tight will help you finish this exercise off right. Keep going. Almost break time. I know, all lovely 10 seconds. Look, you're already at exercise 3, front raises. That means you're going right in front of you just as you did off to the side. For lateral, you're going to elevate those arms from your thighs right on up into front of your face. Keep at least shoulder width apart. You just want them to kind of go straight out in front of you. Keep that core tight and engaged as you do this. It'll help you keep your stance and keep you focusing on where you're targeting, aka your arms. You got this. Keep pushing, keep breathing, engage that core, and keep those feet planted. Moving right along, we're going to be doing the in and out curls. So as you see, I'm going to curl in front of me and then taking it right to the side smoothly and curling again off to the side. Take your time with these and focus on your form. Keep that core tight, feet planted, and just get it knocked out. Keep those arms off of your side. Don't use it to hold yourself up. You can do this. Don't remember what's next? It's the goalpost press. It's exactly what it sounds like. So you might see a soccer ball come across the stage. I just wanted to remind you, think of it as that. What do you see at the end of the opposite side of where you're trying to kick into the goal? A goalpost. So squeeze back and hold it and come back right in front of you. So you just want your arms right in front of you. Get a good stance and swing those arms back. Hold it, squeeze that back, and bring it forward. Just when you thought you were not gonna make it, you're already on the last exercise. 6 exercises flew by. So we're just on tricep kickbacks, which you've done this before if you've been here with me. You're just going to extend that arm back. You wanna get your hand in your body position, stance really strong, hand on the ottoman, chair, couch, whatever works for you. And you're just literally pushing that arm back, and that's the only thing moving so that triceps can feel the burn. We're not going to take a break because I feel like it was unnecessary, right? So just jump into the next arm, the next side, reposition, get stable, and knock it out. Extending it back and bringing it right back forward. You can do it. Breathe through it. If you need to take a little bit longer to resituate yourself, do so. Yes! Now, you made it through round 1. You got 2 to go. I'm just dancing it out to keep you amped up. Hydrate, get your water, stretch a little bit if you need to recoup. And I'm just going to get this off of my body because the girl is soaking wet. And I did my 3 rounds, and now it's your turn. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If so, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Like it, comment, and share with your peeps. I appreciate you coming by. And don't forget, it's mind over matter. Now get into that next round. You got this. Bye.